Ever wondered why your power washer won't start after winter storage? It's probably ethanol damage. Most gas contains ethanol, which absorbs moisture and gums up carburetors during storage. But here's the solution. Use ethanol-free fuel in your washer. It costs a bit more, but prevents 90% of starting problems. The crazy part, you can find ethanol-free gas at marinas, small airports, and specialty stations. Just search ethanol-free gas near me. And always add fuel stabilizer before storage. Next time your neighbor's struggling with their washer that won't start, you'll know exactly why and how to prevent it with this simple fuel swap that professionals swear by.